Good morning, all of you. So, welcome back for the IQM lecture. So, only one chapter is remaining for from our syllabus. So, today we will start that chapter. So, last chapter name is Introduction to the various tools and techniques. Already we have discussed the in quality section, basic information about quality, total quality management. Okay, TQM. After that, statistical process control. So how we can maintain quality with the help of data. Okay, or whatever the analysis. So already we have discussed a lot of techniques, control charts, definitions, different types of problem, X chart, R chart, P chart, C chart. Okay. So this is nothing but the statistical process control. But in market, if you consider there are number of industries, then there are number of sectors for the manufacturing or service. Okay. So in that sector, to reduce the human effort, to reduce the time. Okay. So there are different number of tools or techniques are used. Okay. For example, automation. Automation is one of the technique. This is nothing but to increase the quality, reduce the time, reduce the cost. Okay, increase the quality of that particular service or product. So for that purpose, we are using different types of tools and techniques. So today we will start the last chapter, which is introduction to the basic tools techniques for the quality control. Okay, so introduction to various techniques and tool. So there are in our for our syllabus near about 5 to 6 tools are there. Okay, so we will try to study that tools, and that will be directly implemented in whenever you will go in industry. So you will get very great experience about that tools. Okay, how that tools will be worked in industry. Okay, what is use of that tools. Hmm? Okay, so that we will discuss. Now our last chapter is introduction to the various techniques and tools. So see the syllabus, introduction to the various techniques and tools as per our Solapur University syllabus concern. In this chapter, which is having benchmarking is one of the tool. First tool is the benchmarking, quality management system. So again, these are the techniques. So the technique is nothing but something standard is there. Okay, so we have to compare to that standard and we have to follow that procedure. Is it right? For example, there are number of tools. Suppose, for example, we want to analysis of our manufactured job. Okay, already we have used that on lathe machines. Okay, so what will be the technique? So we are using for the measurement or for the quality control. We are measuring each and every diameter, each and every whatever the dimensions of that particular product. Okay, so with the help of measurement system. Okay, so we are using generally meter system. Okay, inches system may be there. Now for the tolerances, least count. So these all factors considered in the one technique. Okay, so that is nothing but a vernier caliper measurement. Okay, so this is one of the technique. But whenever you will go in industry, there are number of work is there. Now to reduce or to combine the work, and at the end we require the analysis. Okay, so for that purpose we are using we already created number of tools and techniques. For example, take example of CATIA software. Okay, ANSYS software, SolidWorks software. So these are also techniques. So that techniques are manufactured, that techniques are created, or that techniques are developed for increase the quality, reduce the time, and whatever the reduce the cost of that particular process or service. Now something whenever technique will be there, definitely each technique is having separate methodology, separate whatever the standards, okay, procedure, way. Is it right? So that techniques we will study. So benchmarking is first technique, quality management system, environmental management system. So that technique we will EMS system we will discuss. Quality function development, Six Sigma is very well known techniques used in industries. Okay, number of industries in nowadays also. Okay, FMEA, Taguchi, quality engineering, etc. These are the techniques. So we will try to study all these techniques in detail. Okay, so how to implement that techniques in industry? Yeah, what is basic requirement of that industry? What is input? What is output? What is the procedure? So basic information we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, so there are number of techniques. So we will try to study the all the techniques. Okay, so let's start the technique number first, benchmarking. Okay. Hmm. So what is benchmarking? First technique is the benchmarking. Benchmarking is one of the quality technique. Okay, quality control technique. So what is the benefit definition of the benchmarking? Benchmarking is a process where you measure your company's success against competitors to discover how to improve your performance. Okay, now first benchmarking is very well known concept now which is implemented in every sector, manufacturing sector, management sector, service sector. Okay, in everywhere this benchmarking technique is used. Okay, generally in our life, in our daily life also we are using benchmarking. What is benchmarking meaning? Comparison or whatever the discussion. Okay, as suppose we want to purchase one vehicle or one product. Okay, suppose in summer season, okay, we want to purchase buy one refrigerator. Okay, so how that will be different criteria will be there. So how we can decide the criteria for buying that refrigerator? Now for this is also benchmarking. So whenever any person we want to start anything, okay, suppose buying using that particular service or product. Okay, so they will compare to that product to other products. Okay, so they will start comparison with different with the help of different experienced person, different website, different using television. Okay, so they will take different sources for the comparison. Okay, definitely they will compare and they will search. Okay, what is the price of that vehicle, price of that product, service? Is it right? So this is nothing but also we can say that the benchmark because that customer is comparing anything to other competitors. Okay, but that benchmarking technique is generally used inside the industry. Why? Because whenever any industry is producing any product, okay, so they have to compare this product to the other competitors. Okay, now what is the procedure? Where we are lagging? Okay, why customer is not accepting our product? When customer will satisfy our product with the help of our product. So that is nothing but a benchmarking. Now internal or benchmarking may be internal or external. Okay. So we have to compare. Suppose for example we have to compare one department to the other department. Suppose quality control department to the manufacturing department to the HR department. So internal comparison is nothing but internal benchmarking. And whenever you will compare our industry to the other industry, this is nothing but the external benchmarking. Okay. So benchmarking is nothing but the basic technique which is a process we can say that where you measure your company's success against competitors to discover how to improve our performance. Okay, whenever we will compare, definitely we will definitely trying to implement or trying to improve. Okay, so that is nothing but the basic definition of the benchmarking. Okay, so in different industries, benchmarking concept is very useful. Is it right? So again, search for best practice, innovative ideas, highly effective procedures. So basically, these points are maybe included in the definitely included in the benchmark. Okay, which point? Best practice. Okay, we have to search which method, which system, which practice is successful and that will be beneficial for us. Okay, so we have to compare. Okay, everywhere we have to compare. Definitely, from after searching different number of alternatives, so we have to take one. Now, for that purpose, with the help of decision making, we have to decide. That is nothing but the benchmark. Okay, so first of all, in your industry, suppose we want to hire one employee. Okay. So for that purpose also we have to benchmark. Na? So generally group discussion or interview in interview. Okay. So entire internal faculties of that organization will take interview of that particular participant, or we can say that the candidate for the who is a came for interview. Okay, we want to job in our organization. Okay, so we will discuss with all the team members, all the entire internal faculties. Okay, whatever the committees may be there. Okay, so this is also benchmark. Okay, so discussion is nothing but the हाँ कौन है हेलो हेलो कौन बोलते हैं क्या मध्ये हाँ ओके हाँ ओके ठीक है record झाले का बोला now this is a benchmarking. Now, best practice innovative ideas. Now, innovative idea is very important. Why? Because our world is changing day by day. Okay, so we have to innovative ideas. Okay, why? Now, innovation is nothing but the whatever the new points or new 1 minute. Okay, wait. So search for best practices, innovative ideas. So each and every time you have to use the innovation. Okay. So different techniques are available in market. For example, in this pandemic situation. Okay. Suppose for example food products. Okay. So there is a market or whatever the demand from the market is very huge. Why? Because this is impossible to reach each and every person with the, during that pandemic situation. Is it right? So some industries or some food industries have has given the very well marketing or distribution strategy. Okay, so home deliveries. Is it right? So whatever that according to the government rules and regulation. Okay, in late night yesterday, one notice was published by our government, central government. Okay, so only in sorry in state government. Okay, now five districts from our Maharashtra, for example, Satara, Kolhapur. Okay, they are allowed only for the home delivery. Okay, totally lockdown is there. Okay, 100% lockdown. There is no any open excluding the medical points. Okay, so that's nothing but the we have to innovate every time. Now, whenever market will be there, customer will change. Okay, so another competitor will publish his product in market suddenly. Then how we have to stable. Okay, so that time we have to benchmark. Okay, we have to discuss with seniors. We have to discuss with our whatever the near about nearby industries. Okay, or there are also different types of societies are also there. Okay, committees are there. Okay, so we have to discuss that also. Now, highly effective procedure. Now, with the help of benchmarking, definitely whatever the processes we are using, okay, definitely that will be very effectively, and we will get output as a very well quality improvement. Common sense to learn from other. A basic definition of the benchmarking is a common sense to learn from other. Now, to identify internal opportunities for improvement. Now, internal opportunity for the improvement. So, we have to compare each and every time. Suppose, for example, you have to start a job in any industry. Okay, after completion of your BE. Okay, after we can say that after 1 month or 1.5 months. Okay, or some students are also started his work. Is it right? So benchmarking is nothing but a comparison. Okay. Whenever you will go in industry, now with the help of benchmarking, we can increase your experience definitely. Suppose, for example, you have joined a very fresher as a fresher in market, okay, or in any organization. So you have to learn there with the help of another faculties are working already there. Okay, so this is also benchmarking. So we have to compare yourself to other. You have to take discussion. We have to take experience. Okay, from that faculty, that is nothing but benchmarking also. Okay, but as industrial organization or as organizational management, quality improvement, we have to discuss benchmarking as a organizational improvement. Okay. So to identify internal opportunity for the improvement. Now internal opportunities already we have discussed about the internal and external benchmark. Okay. So already available whatever the facilities or opportunities inside your organization, you have to compare with first of all them. Okay. Definitely your entire organization will be follow one single rule. Okay, definitely your quality improvement will be very best. Now, specific indicator like cost per unit, productivity per unit of measure, cycle time of X per unit of measure, or defects per unit of measure. Okay, these are some examples of the indicators. Okay, so we have to compare that. These are the indicators, or we can say that the display in analysis of whatever the procedure. Okay, so we have to compare for that also. Is it right? So that will be also benchmarking. Source source from the vision, mission, statement of the organization. Now for the benchmarking, this is a whatever the aim, whatever the vision, mission of that industry will be your stated goal. Okay, so you have to reach up to that goal. Definitely, for that purpose, benchmarking will be also useful. A benchmarking is a systematic method by which organization can measure themselves against the best industry practices. Okay, again, this is the same definition. The secret to benchmarking technique is borrow, adopt, and refine. Is it right? Already we have discussed that point. Huh? So suppose we want to buy any technique from market. Okay, so first of all we have to compare. Okay, now first of all we have to borrow. Okay, again adapt whatever the technique we have to implement, and after implementation, now whatever the analysis we can start. Okay. Huh. So the secret of benchmarking technique is to borrow, adapt, and refine. Refine is nothing but again comparison. The best attributes for continuous growth and development. The main motivation or main importance of the benchmarking is continuous growth. Okay, and development of that particular organization or individual or group improvement. Okay. Now there are three principles: learning best in class. Second, understand how these differ from own practice, and implement change to close gap. Okay. And this is also first is a best in class. So we have to set first of all goal, and that goal, whatever the reach up to that goal is nothing but understand how these differ from own practice. Okay, with the help of different practices, we have to implement, we have to study that changes and try to close the gap between set standard and our work. Okay, so this is nothing but the benchmarking. Now, step for the benchmarking. Okay, how benchmarking will be the basic phase. There are basic 5 phases: planning, analysis, integration, action, and maturity. Okay, these are the 5 phases of the benchmarking. Okay, and step. There are 12 steps of the benchmarking. The first step is identify what to benchmark. Now this is nothing but decide the aim. Okay, which point we have to benchmark. Suppose for example we have to benchmark according to market. Okay, suppose you have stated one goal as benchmarking for that marketing purpose we have to benchmark. So state your goal. Now we have to increase our market. Now this for that purpose you have to discuss. We have to benchmark with entire industry or with the help of available competitors in market. Okay, so identify what to benchmark. Second, find benchmarking partners. Is it right? Now partner is very important. Okay, only one can will not be discussed. Okay, म्हणजे एकटा नाही त्याला पार्टनर. ओके, म्हणजे विचार व्यक्त करायला लोक पाहिजेत ना. सो वी हॅव टू डिसाइड विच पर्सन इज सुटेबल फॉर अस. ओके, दॅट शुड बी मोटिवेटेड. नाहीतर तुमची हवा सोडणार नसला पाहिजे. ठीक आहे, हा कशाला करायला लागलाय म्हणणार आहे आपलं, बरोबर का. सो दॅट people will very difficult for your organizational growth or benchmarking. Okay, so only positive attitude or whatever the effective persons you have to decide. Okay, so second step is very important. Select or find benchmarking partner. Okay, so that partner will give very uh, beneficial or effective. Okay, honestly. Okay, that will be decided. Okay, determine next step is a determine data collection method and collect the data. Now, for any comparison, already we have discussed in survey. Okay, survey also we have to decide which area should be decided for the survey. Okay, now comparison is nothing but we have to compare the data. Now, where we will get data with the help of survey. Is it right? So, collection of data and method. Collection method and data. Okay, which method we have to use for collection? Okay, generally suppose feedback taking is very critical. Okay, generally positive feedback will not be. Suppose for very best example for the feedback or data collection is suppose we are very well known about the Play Store. Okay, so whenever you will visit Play Store, so first of all, what will we see? Suppose we want to install any application. Okay, so very lot of or infinite applications are available. Okay, very infinite in the sense very okay, number of applications for the single purpose are available on Google Play. Okay, but Play Store. Okay, so which application we generally refer? So first of all, we will say see the whatever the rating, whatever the 5 star, 4 star, 4.5 star. Okay, so this is nothing but feedback given by like our customer. Okay, like us. आपल्यासारखंच कोण जरी असते तिथे त्यांनी काय कमेंट किंवा रिप्लाय दिलेला असतोय. ओके, स्टार मागितलेला असते. Now according to that we will select that particular product. Okay, so that is nothing but the data collection method also. Now next step is analysis. In planning, we have to first of all decide the goal for the benchmarking, decide the partner, and next is decide the whatever the which method for the data collection or collect the data, collection of data. Now next phase is analysis. In that fourth step is determine current performance gap. Now as per we have decided in planning that standard for the comparison with the help of different industry or nearby industry. Okay, or whatever the some rules and regulations given by government also. Okay, so we have to first of all find out the gap between them. This is fourth step. Now project future performance level. Now after whenever you will find out gap, okay, definitely we will move to fill that gap and definitely project future performance level. So you have to think on that. Suppose these gaps are available. Okay, these gaps are searched. Now how we can refill that gap? Okay, so we have to decide one particular action on them. Okay, definitely that whatever that gap will be filled. Okay, project future performance level. So that we will also discuss. Now, phase number 3 integration. Sixth step is a communicate findings and gain acceptance. Now, whatever the data we have received, okay, whatever the gap we have received, so that gap we have to discuss. Now again is the integration phase start. Okay, in that integration phase, communicate findings and gain acceptance. Okay, whatever the gap we are finding, is it right? So whatever the data is available, so discuss with whatever the selected partners. Okay, now this phase in integration. Integration is nothing but the combination of entire work. Okay. Establish functional goal. Now, according to the discussion, definitely something goal will be decided. Now, with the help of all the partners, with the help of discussion, we have to set goal and compare that goal, and we have to finish that goal. Okay, or implement that goal, reach up to that goal. Okay, this is our main purpose of the integration or benchmarking. Now this is the seventh step. Now eighth step is action. Now eighth step, develop a action plan. Whatever goal we have decided. Now according to that goal, we have to decide methodology. Okay, and you have to decision making, or you can say that take action on that goal. Start the procedure, make methodology, and implementation of that methodology is nothing but the taking action or develop one action plan. Okay, according to that action plan, you have to start your benchmarking. Now, implement specific actions and monitor progress. This will be very, we can say that the mandatory. Okay, continuous action or continuous measurement. Implement specific actions and monitor progress. Okay, every time monitoring is always continuous. Okay, monitoring is always on. Okay. Now, next step is a recalibrate benchmarking. Now, this is a we can say that the steps of the benchmarking. Okay, but before complete or before finish your benchmark, you have to compare your benchmark and you have to recalibrate benchmark. Okay, suppose any whatever the criteria, whatever the goal we have decided, but sometime we get an idea. Okay, suppose this goal should be changed. Okay, because some situation. Okay, for example, we have take one example for the benchmarking. We have decided one manufactured product. Okay, so we have to buy that product, they sell that product in market. Okay, but we have compared all the things. We have decided partner, we have continued or we have started the benchmarking. Okay, but suddenly due to some pandemic situation, our entire process will collapse. Okay, so we have to recalibrate whatever the benchmark system. ओके, म्हणजे अचानक हां प्रोडक्ट मार्केटमध्ये जाणार आहे आता उद्या होम डिलिव्हरी आहे आपली. ओके, बट सडन प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे भारत बंद झाला किंवा काय बाबा पॉलिटिकल इश्यू झाले तर अचानक थांबणार आहे ना सगळं. ओके, वॉट एव्हर द कर्फ्यू मे बी देअर. ओके, इलेक्शन मे बी देअर. सो एनिथिंग मे बी हॅपन. ओके, सो वेन एव्हर दॅट type of situation may be happen, so we have to recalibrate your benchmark also. Okay, so that will be included in the action plan, action phase. Okay, and last phase is a maturity. Now attain leadership position. Whenever your benchmarking will finish, definitely you will get an idea where or how we can improve our organizational success. Okay, definitely at the time attain leadership position. So you will be at leadership position because you are having an experience with help of benchmarking. Okay, so you are very whatever the motivate, you will be very get motivated definitely. Okay, so entire industry will get motivated. So definitely you will be at top position or attain leadership position. Okay, and last step is a fully integrate practices into processes. Whenever you will get an idea, for example, Serum Institute of India. Okay, so from last 1.5 years they are manufacturing, they are benchmarking on that Covishield vaccine. Okay, but sometime they are also changed the plan also. Okay, so according to plan Serum Institute, okay, so they have made some benchmarking. Now continuous म्हणजे आपण घरी आपण त्यांचं काम चालूच आहे तिकडे. Okay, so at that time they have decided. Now before 2 months, okay, so they have attained whenever they were got permission from the government. Okay, for the implement that vaccine to the people. Okay, so at that time they were leadership position. Okay, म्हणजे सगळ्या पूर्ण इंडियाचं लक्ष कोणाकडे होतं? आदर पुनावाला. Is it right? So they have attained the leadership position and they have decided what is the procedure to distribution of vaccine. Okay, comparison also. Bharat Biotech आले, पुन्हा Pfizer आले. Okay, now but whenever for the benchmarking leadership is very important. Okay, म्हणजे आता ज्यावेळेस मोदी मीटिंग घेतात आपले हे जे वॅक्सिन डिस्ट्रीब्युशनची किंवा काय वॉटेवर, तर ते सिरम इन्स्टिट्यूटचा हेड जो पहिल्यांदाच येत असतो. Why? Because they have started benchmarking at earlier. Okay, so they have attained the leadership position. Okay, after that the fully integrate practices into procedures. Okay, whenever they have got an idea about the entire process of that vaccine, so they have started the manufacturing. Okay, म्हणजे त्यांनी आता फुल टाइम मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग सुरू केलं. ओके, whenever after the attain good position in market. Okay, त्यांना माहिती झालं आता लोक घेणारच आहेत. ओके, दॅट विल बी सँक्शन फ्रॉम दी गव्हर्नमेंट. ओके, अगेन मग त्यांना काय अडचणी असतील पुन्हा त्यांनी रिकॅलिब्रेट त्यांचा बेंच मार्किंग केलाय. ओके, सो दॅट इज अ व्हेरी लाईव्ह एक्झाम्पल फॉर द बेंच मार्किंग. इज इट राईट? So these are the 12 steps of the benchmarking. Is it right? Now concept, what is concept? Already we have discussed a lot. Breakthrough performance. What is our performance level and what are our others? Creative adaptation is nothing but comparison. Now reason to the benchmark to achieve business and competitive objectives. Okay, these are the some reasons of the benchmark. Okay, to develop strength and reduce weakness. Whenever you want to make our business strengthen, okay, we have to compare our business to others. Okay, so you will get motivation also. Okay, suppose you are missing anything. Okay, so whenever you will compare your industry or procedure, definitely you will get an idea. Okay, definitely reduce weakness. Definitely that is nothing but the motivated. Lagging itself from peer. That whenever these are the reason of benchmark. Whenever you will lagging in your work in your organization, definitely we have to compare to other. Definitely benchmark will help us. Inspire workforce to complete. Now with the help of benchmarking, definitely your work will be forced. Okay, now suppose for example you in your organization, okay, some workers are not doing properly way. Okay, working. And definitely we have to benchmark. We have to discuss with seniors. We have to discuss with market strategy. Okay, why these people are not working very well. So you will get an idea and you will start your benchmarking. Okay, these are the reason for the benchmarking. Benchmarking at several levels. Perception benchmark assessment, compliance benchmark assessment, effective benchmark assessment, and continuous. Okay, these are the 4 types. Several levels. First level is a perception benchmark assessment. Internal issues. Now, whenever benchmarking at several levels, where benchmarking will be observed. Okay, internal issues. Whenever internal issues may be happen, so we have to discuss it. Okay. Now, there was very best example for the benchmarking. Okay, at the time of our Maharashtra government assembly. Okay, in last year. Okay, BJP, Mahavikas Agadi. So very huge benchmark was there. म्हणजे किती घडामोडी झाल्या बघा 2 दिवसामध्ये 3 दिवसामध्ये. Okay, so whenever some issues are there, definitely benchmark will help us. Okay. So what people think about internal management company or the quality improvement process? What people think about internal management? Now, why benchmarking will be useful? Now, according to benchmarking, according to discussion, we will get whatever the output of your faculty also. Okay, म्हणजे एखाद्या फॅकल्टी नाराज आहे तुमच्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये ते कळणार कसं तुम्हाला? ओके, देयर इज नो एनी डिस्कशन नाही. ओके, म्हणजे मीटिंग असं मीटिंग मध्ये सांगू शकत नाही. बट विथ हेल्प ऑफ बेंचमार्किंग each and every faculty of that organization will be bounded. Okay, they will share his experience also. Okay, so for that this is first step of or several level first level of the benchmark assessment. Okay, so we will get whatever the input for the benchmark. The quality improvement process, definitely it reveals information about the company's current performance level. Okay, so they will give information about your current level, current situation as per compare with the market. Next level is compliance benchmark assessment. How company is currently performing against the published standards. Okay, whatever standard we have made, whether our industry is following that standard. Okay, so we will get an idea with the help of benchmarking also. Is it right? So next level is effective benchmark assessment. Now it verifies that the company complies with the requirement and has effective system in place to ensure the requirement are being fulfilled. Definitely continuous improvement benchmark assessment last level is it verifies that the quality is an integral and permanent fact of an organization. So these are some levels of the benchmarking process of benchmark. Already we have discussed in 12 steps. The benchmarkers guide. Okay, now these are some guides given by Germany, whatever that source. Okay, who is author? Fortune. Now, do not go on a Finnish expedition. Okay. Some guidelines for the benchmarkers they are given. Okay, do not go on fishing expedition. Okay, so we have to select which benchmarking strategy, which partner, okay, which goal. Definitely. So we have to discuss with that point also. Okay, so which points are not suitable, which points will be very critical for in future also. Okay, so this is the one of the guys. Send out the people who will have to make changes. Yeah, so suppose take a partner selection of partners. Already we have discussed. Be prepared to exchange information. Now, whenever at the time of benchmarking, you have to you should have your whatever the script. Okay, नाहीतर तिथे गेल्या म्हणा पुन्हा आठवलंच नाही मला. Okay, एखादा point राहिला. So that will be very critical. So in military appliances, military applications. Okay, so benchmarking is very important. Okay, म्हणजे military मध्ये बघा. Benchmarking is always on. Okay, म्हणजे whatever for the ammunition also, whatever for the security purpose also, whatever the for the management internal management also. Okay, every time benchmarking was there. Is there. Now avoid legal problems. Now for the benchmarking, avoid legal problem. Why? Because suppose there is no authority to copy the whatever the product or procedure to from another industry. Okay, so you have to study the legal advices also. You have to get legal advices also. Respect the confidentiality of the data you obtain. Now benchmarking should be we can say that they in private. Okay, now benchmarking कधी असं मीडियावरती होत नसतं. Okay, that is nothing but the debate. Okay, debate is different, group discussion is different, and benchmarking is different. Okay, benchmarking is only for the improvement of your industry. Okay, or comparison with each another. Is it right? So that will not be published. So very confidentially you have to take there. Same points are there. Deciding what to benchmark. Decide from mission and critical factors for success of business. Insurance company with mission to business in easiest way. Critical success factors are 24 hours to run. They are not important. Some questions to be decided what to benchmark. Process causing most trouble. Okay, which is troubling factors. According to that, we have to decide benchmarking procedure. Process most contribute to customer satisfaction. Okay, this is already we have discussed a lot. So as per customer satisfaction, benchmark will get very effective. Unique most process that differentiate identity of organization from other competitors. Competitiveness. General areas of benchmarking where benchmarking. Operational strategies. Okay, in operational strategies, inventory management and inventory control. Okay, these are some examples of the benchmarking. Okay, where in operation management, benchmarking will be used. Marketing management, customer service level, purchasing, billing and collection, purchasing practices. Okay, so in this sector we can use the benchmarking. Okay, customer service level, purchasing, from where we have to purchase. Okay, billing and collections, purchasing practices, quality improvement effort process, management of quality council and overall equipment effectiveness. Okay, here also we can use the benchmarking. HR practices, talent acquisition, search, training and development, compensation management, etc. Okay, in HR practices also we can use the benchmarking. Supply chain management, warehouse and distribution. Okay, in that also we have to take discussion, we have to take benchmarking with other industries also. Is it right? Factors to wait. Factors to be kept in mind to ensure success with benchmarking. Now, benchmarking must have the full support of senior management, and they should active involved with this process. These factors should be very important. Benchmarking must have the full support of senior management. Now, already main purpose of that benchmarking is a internal healthy environment. Okay, whenever that in organization, whenever a healthy environment will be there, definitely your entire growth of bench in organization will be very effective. Okay, the basic purpose of benchmarking is to make healthy environment in organization. For benchmarking, team and process training is very important. Benchmarking should be a team activity. Okay, already we have discussed that point. Okay, benchmarking is a team activity. Benchmarking is an ongoing process. Benchmarking effort must be organized, planned, and carefully managed. Used correctly, benchmarking can lead you to competitive edge in today's business marketplace. Okay, some advantages. Benchmarking is a systematic method by which organizations can measure themselves against the best industry practices in comparison with other industries. Now, it promotes superior performance by providing an organized framework through which organizations learn how to the best in class do things. Okay, for the comparison also, and we have to search best in market, best in society. Okay, definitely our entire quality of product service will be increased. Now, it helps for continuous improvement. Benchmarking inspires managers and organizations to compare. Definitely, benchmarking will give the motivation also. Whenever you will get motivation, definitely inspiration may be there. Okay, definitely your manager, your entire industrial staff will be inspired. Okay. Now, through benchmarking process, organization can borrow ideas, adapt, and refine them to gain competitive advantages. The most resistant criticism of benchmarking comes from the idea of copying others. Copying is very critical. Okay, for that purpose, some patent government has given laws. Okay, government has given security for the ideas copy. Okay, so there is a one patent concept is there. Okay, whenever you will search, okay, suppose this industry has copied my idea. Okay, so you can go in court also for the whatever your issue solving. Okay, now it is a time taking technique definitely. Okay, discussion is nothing but always time taking. Okay, but some disadvantages are also there. Okay, so next lecture we will start the FMEA. Okay, this is also another technique. So we will discuss that techniques, Six Sigma. Okay, EMAS. Okay. So today we will stop here. Only we have discussed benchmarking. Okay. So next lecture we will discuss QMS, FMEA, environmental management system, quality function deployment, Taguchi, Six Sigma. Okay. So this is all about benchmarking. Huh. So please paste your roll numbers here. All of you paste your roll numbers. Huh?